Hey everyone, this is Jan with Orlando Flooring Gurus. I'm about to take you along one of our latest projects in the beautiful Dr. Phillips area. We will be transforming a customer's home, starting with replacing outdated bedroom carpets with modern 9x48 tiles. We are also revamping the stairs with premium oak stair treads and stylish tile risers. Up on the loft, we are actually installing a durable and beautiful vinyl flooring that complements the decor. And to complete the whole transformation, we are refinishing the hardwood floors throughout the home, opting for a darker tone to bring warmth and luxury. So let's get into it. Alright, so we finished the vinyl. Looks amazing up here. Let me show you what it looks like over here. Owner's already moved some stuff in there, so it looks pretty cool. And now we're working on the steps. Alright, so I'm going to show you right now how we're going to take care of these steps behind us and show you exactly how we measure those so that we can get the right specific distance for every tread, and it fits just perfectly like a glove. Alright, check it out. Time to sand down the floors for refinishing. Let me show you how that goes. Okay, we're now ready for tiles. Check it out.